Welcome back. Today's explainer dives deep into the incredible, enduring legacy of the Karbala narrative. Let's get into it. Back in 680 AD, Imam Hussein's small camp was massacred, yet their mission survived through two pivotal figures. Think of it like this. Abbas provided the military backbone, while Zainab ensured the message literally echoed globally. Let's start with Abbas. As Hussein's brother, he's basically the ultimate historical symbol of absolute loyalty and self-sacrifice. Historically, Abbas was actually born from this specific prayer by Imam Ali, expressly to protect Hussein at Karbala. Hussein's camp had only about 70 companions facing thousands, but Abbas, he was their fearless commander and flag-bearer. Enemy commanders were terrified. They literally begged for reinforcements, because fighting Abbas felt exactly like fighting Imam Ali himself. When the children cried from agonizing thirst, Abbas rode straight to the Euphrates on an incredibly dangerous rescue mission. But even at the water's edge, he completely refused to drink, remembering the severe thirst of his family. Tragically, he was ambushed on the way back. Both arms are severed, and he died trying to carry the water. His final whisper, begging forgiveness for not bringing water, left Imam Hussein absolutely shattered. It's truly heartbreaking. With Hussein martyred and their camp burned, it honestly looked like a total victory for Yazid's oppressive regime. But wait, here's the massive pivot. Hussein's sister, Zainab, picked up the flag and shifted the battle to politics. She sparked a brilliant revolution of the tongue, using her incredible eloquence to expose the terrifying truth of the massacre. Even as a prisoner, she delivered fiercely defiant speeches in Kufa and Damascus, directly indicting Yazid for his crimes. Asked how she viewed the tragedy, she famously replied, "I saw nothing but beauty." Talk about unyielding spiritual strength. By reframing the massacre as a divine victory, she sent shockwaves everywhere, totally shattering Yazid's legitimacy. A real game changer. Her fearless awareness campaign sparked massive historical uprisings that literally dismantled the Umayyad rule piece by piece. So, Abbas provided the emotional, physical backbone, while Zainab's powerful words transformed military defeat into an eternal moral victory. Which brings us to the ultimate question. Inspired by this legacy, how will you stand for justice today?